Hi, boys and girls. For this next activity, we're going to review the numbers 1 through 5. So it says the task, help the number get their bag ready. You have a few things to do. Put the correct things in the bag. So you're going to look for the correct name, the domino with that many dots, the ruler, and then pull over that many coins. So let's look at the first one together. We see the number 1. So I'm going to look at the number words. I have 1 and 10. I know that I need to pull over the number 1. Now, let's look at the domino. I know that this domino only has 1. I can count. 1. The other domino, let's count, has 1, 2, 3. Now let's look at these two rulers. This ruler has 0, 1, 2, 3. That's too many. So I need to look at this one. 0, 1. This is correct. And then I need to pull over 1 coin. Okay, my friends, you're going to do the rest on your own. So you're going to do numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do your very best, and we will see you at the end of the day.